Oh. Nothing. I just found it really cute. How you can barely handle the heat. Especially when you're the one who invited me here in the first place. Well, when I did say this place was spicy, I really meant spicy. But don't worry. They do have this thing right here, a special drink they made that really washes down all of that spice. If you need it, then you can always have mine. It really was that bad, huh? I can always get up and order more, you know? Stubborn, aren't we? Well, I don't particularly mind that. In fact, in a way, I find that very, well, endearing in its own way. Cute, even. But that just might be the drink inside me talking. I don't mean to offend you in any way at all. Like I said, it just might have been a drink inside me talking. But don't worry. I haven't forgotten the reason you asked me out here. Or at least, I think it's the reason that you asked me out here. No, please. Take your time. As much time as you need. Oh, you could never. Honestly speaking, I could sit here all day, all night, just looking at you. Gazing at how beautiful you are. Might be a stretch, or so you would think, but I mean it. You take my breath away. I want to learn more about you. More and more and more. Because, well, I'm interested in you. Oh, did I not say that clearly enough? Then let me repeat it for you. I'm interested in you. In every single way that you can imagine, I am Oh, is this too close for you? Too sensitive right here now, are we? Hey, that's fine. In most cases, this spot on your ear, right here, is exactly where most are the most vulnerable. Well, I know that because I am a healer. Just say the word, and I could give you a nice demonstration. Oh, my. So flustered, aren't we? Cute. Very, very cute. Oh. No, go on. You can say it. Why am I so interested in you, considering there's nothing special about you? Well, for starters, I think you're completely wrong. I mean, to begin with, I think that you are very, very special. I think that you are definitely one of a kind. And believe me, I've met a lot of different people. More than Dudley, but I could ever remember, ever recall. But you, you are the only one that made my heart skip a beat. Made it flutter. Here. Place your hand on my heart like this. Was the kiss on your hand that necessary? Well, in hindsight, not really, but I thought you would enjoy it. So I did. speechless, aren't we? Well, you don't have to say anything. Just have to. He is beating fast. I told you. Oh, and you like this? I'm glad to hear that. Especially when, And where do you think you're, placing my hand? It's not fair if you were the only one who got to feel my heartbeat, huh? So you wanted me to feel yours. My. It's a very, very interesting thought process. I can imagine how embarrassed you are right now. But still, you're the one who grabbed my hand and placed it right over your heart. But I hope you understand just how precarious this is. No. I have no complaints. Quite the opposite, in fact. But this does propose a few problems. Well, in this instance, it does feel like I believe that it's pretty self-explanatory. No, it's fine. It's fine. I know you didn't intend for something like that so quickly, so... No, this is better. I just wasn't expecting you to. Shut up. It's a bit hard when, just listen to your heartbeat. Well, that's easy enough. Especially when you grab my head and just pull me towards you. I can hear it. You have a good, healthy, strong heart. But I can hear it flutter as well, just like mine. might skip a beat every so often. You're really, and what is it that you want this time? My. You are being very, very upfront with your feelings, aren't you? No, there's no issues with that at all. Again, I find that endearing. I like that. And at the same time, I believe that really does explain the reason why you chose this venue. Initially, I simply thought that you had some hidden motive, and while that remains true, well, the motive that I thought of was completely wrong. In fact, I was very, very off the mark, wasn't I? I had my guard up for no reason at all. Because it seems like what you were after is this.